Hello kids, this video is from the channel Do You Know for little kids who want to study Indian history and they want to improve their general knowledge. So if you are a kid, want to study history and want to improve your knowledge regarding Indian history, then keep watching this video. So let's start. This is a very short video and I will give a brief introduction about the Indian history in this video, which will be useful for little kids. So I am talking about the coming of Europeans and British into the India in the 15th, 16th century when they established their empire in India. So first of all, the Portuguese were the first European who came to India for trading purposes. They set up their first trading factory in Cochin and Goa. Cochin is now known as Kochi. Vasco da Gama discovered sea route to India in year 1498. He was the first Portuguese or European trader who reached India and discovered the sea route to India in 1498. Next, after the coming of the Portuguese, other European countries like French, Dutch, etc. and British, they came to India. Their main purpose was to buy cheap goods in India and sell these goods at a higher price in European countries so that they get huge profits. English East India Company was made in the year 1600 by British merchants. They took the permission of Queen Elizabeth I, who was the Queen of Britain at that time, to trade in India. So a charter was passed and English East India Company was made. After coming to India, English East India Company took permission from the Mughal Emperor Jahangir to trade in India in 1615. So when East India Company they came to India, and at that time Mughal Emperor was Jahangir. So they took permission from India so that they could trade in India. The East India Company set up their first factory in the Surat. Surat is in Gujarat, and later they also set up their factories in other places like Ahmedabad, Bharuch, etc. When they established their factories, they fortified some of the forts in India so that they get a stronghold in India to capture in the India and use it for their own benefit. So for this purpose they fortified and put their army in the Fort William, which is in the Calcutta, Fort St. George in Madras, and they also fortified a fort in Bombay, now Mumbai. Later on, East India Company fought three wars between 1746 and 1763 with French to gain control over India, and they won these battles, Carnatic Wars, and they established their supremacy in India. Thank you very much. We will continue with our video on Indian freedom struggle and Indian history in our next video. Thank you very much.